I've taken the website design course, which I used to sell the books I've published. So I'm actively working on the website now to make it ready for sales, and it's something that's been a very valuable piece of information. It's really great for me to know how to do. So that's one of the great things I've done with Explore Hub. Additionally, I did the Teen Entrepreneur Program, in which I and several other people founded Travel the Globe with Teens, which was an online travel show where we got people to donate money for tickets, and we were able to raise, I think, $700, maybe even a little more. It was very successful, and it was great because we got to work together and learn how to do that effectively. And I'm really eager to participate in the second Global Investment Challenge. I've heard great things about it from some of my friends, and I think it's going to be really fun to have some experience trading on the stock market. Yep, so I won an Ontario Junior Citizenship Award, which is an award given out annually, which is to 10 people who have made outstanding charitable contribution. And I received it for numerous reasons, including my involvement with Travel the Globe with Teens program, in which I raised a lot of money to help the Canadian Mental Health Association. And so that was really a fantastic opportunity. It's great to give back. It's something that I've always loved to do, and it's nice that Explore Hub promotes it and helps me do that. So the project was a virtual travel show in which the group members each talked about a different place they visited. In my case, it was Kenya, because that's somewhere which I know many people would like to go, but not a lot of people have had the opportunity to go to. And we all talked about the different things to do and see there and to eat and all that. And over Zoom, we hosted a large gathering where parents, grandparents, friends, and anyone else that we sold tickets to were able to show up and learn about other places. And ticket sales were cheap, but we had a lot of them, and we made some very good money to help out the Canadian Mental Health Association. Well, I think that a big part of it was learning about collaboration and learning how to work effectively with others. And the great thing about the entrepreneur program was that it really taught us the aspects of business. So we rotated around each day, being operations or marketing or different positions that are all important in a company. And so that's something which I think is a very valuable lesson, and how to work well with other people as well. And it was especially helpful. And the reason I got into it was because I actually want to be an entrepreneur when I'm older. And when I saw this program, I knew it was something that I had to try. And it went so well that I'd love to do it again in the coming summer. My favorite part of working on the project, I think it was seeing the amazing turnout that we acquired and how many people wanted to come out to see all our work, and seeing the final video, because it was a 30 or 45-minute video of us all talking about fantastic places we've been. And we had some really great times just brainstorming and figuring out exactly what it was that we wanted to do. I think that was also important, because everyone offered so many different unique talents. It was great putting those all together to make the end product. Explore Hub has just taught me so much. It's been a really great program, and anyone on social media or wherever that sees this, I highly recommend that they check out all the courses. They're available to so many people. I've only had fantastic experiences with Explore Hub. And another great thing to highlight, just as sort of a PS in the marketing, is that I think it's really amazing that Explore Hub can give people financial assistance for their programs, because it's such an incredible opportunity and you learn so many valuable skills that that's just another thing you should include. But I really think that Explore Hub is incredible.